Have you ever had a problem at a restaurant, hotel, or store, but didn't know how to say it in English? In this video, I'll show you easy, polite phrases you can use to make complaints and give feedback in real life so you can speak with confidence anywhere. Sometimes in English, there's more than one way to say the same thing. These different ways are called variations. A variation means using other words or phrases but keeping the same meaning. For example, you can say, "My soup is cold," or "Could you heat this up, please?" They both mean the same thing. In this lesson, I'll show you the main conversation first, and then I'll give you a few variations, different ways to say the same thing politely and clearly. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try using these variations in your own practice.
Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, ma'am. How can I help you?
I'd like to report a problem with my soup.
Oh, I'm very sorry to hear that. What's the problem?
The soup is cold and it's a little too salty for me.
I see. I really apologize for this. Would you like me to bring you a hot one with less salt?
Yes, please. That would be great.
No problem, ma'am. I'll bring it right away.
Sorry, but my soup is cold. Could you warm it up, please? I think this dish isn't warm enough. May I have it hotter? This tastes a little too salty for me. Can you make it less salty? I'm afraid my food is not fresh. Could I have a new one?
Hello, reception?
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to report a problem with my room.
I'm sorry to hear that. What's wrong?
The air conditioner isn't working and the room feels very hot.
I understand. I'll send a technician right away. May I confirm your room number?
Room 304.
Thank you. We'll fix it quickly.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience.
The AC is broken. Could someone fix it, please? It's very warm in my room. The air conditioner doesn't work. My aircon is making a strange noise. Could you check it? The cooling is very weak. Could you send maintenance?
Hi, Tom.
Hi, Sarah. What's up?
I'd like to report a problem with the office printer.
Sure. What's wrong with it?
It keeps jamming the paper and I can't print my report.
Okay, I'll check it right now.
Thanks, Tom. I have a deadline this afternoon.
Don't worry, I'll fix it quickly. The printer keeps jamming. Could you take a look? I'm unable to print my work. The machine isn't working. The printer is stuck and I can't finish my report. It prints, but the pages come out blank.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
I'd like to report a problem with this shirt I bought yesterday.
What's the problem?
There's a small tear in the sleeve.
I'm sorry about that. Would you like to exchange it or get a refund?
I'd like to exchange it, please.
Sure, let me find the same shirt for you.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
I just bought this yesterday, but it's damaged. There's a hole in the fabric. Could I exchange it? This has a stain on it. Could I get a clean one? The zipper is broken. Could I return it?
Hey, David, can I give you some feedback?
Sure. What is it?
Your presentation was good, but the slides had too much text.
Oh, I see. Thanks for telling me.
Maybe next time you can use more pictures and fewer words.
That's a good idea. I'll try that next time.
You're welcome. I think you did well overall.
Your speech was good, but it was a little too fast. I liked your presentation, but maybe you could speak louder. You did great, but your slides had too many numbers. Next time, you could make it a bit shorter. Hi, can I give you some feedback?
Of course.
I really enjoy the coffee here, but today it was a bit too bitter.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll make sure it's better next time.
Thank you. I still love coming here.
Thanks for your feedback. We appreciate it. The coffee is a little too strong for me today. It tastes a bit burnt. Could you make it milder? I usually like it, but today it's too hot to drink right away. It's a bit watery this time. Could you make it richer?
Hello, I'd like to report a problem with my order. I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened? I ordered a blue bag, but I received a red one. I apologize for the mistake. We can send you the correct one right away. That would be great. Thank you. You're welcome, and sorry again for the trouble.
I ordered size M, but you sent me size L. One item is missing from my order. The product I received is not the one I ordered. The delivery is late. Can you check it for me?
Hi, can I give you some feedback?
Sure.
The music is a little too loud. Could you please turn it down?
Oh, sorry about that. I'll lower the volume.
Thank you.
No problem.
Could you please turn down the air conditioning? It's too cold. Would you mind driving a little slower, please? Could you take the shorter route instead? Please close the window. It's too windy.
Excuse me, are you the cleaner?
Yes, I am.
I'd like to report a problem with the bathroom.
Oh, what's wrong?
It's dirty and there's no tissue paper.
I understand. I'll clean it right away.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
The floor is wet. Could you clean it? The trash bin is full. Could you empty it? There's no soap at the sink. The toilet is clogged. Could you fix it?
Excuse me, the ATM is not working?
I'm sorry, what's the problem?
I tried to withdraw money, but it didn't give me cash, and it took my card.
I see. I'll help you get your card back. Please wait a moment.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
The ATM didn't print my receipt. It says out of service, but I just used my card. I entered my PIN, but nothing happened. The machine froze and won't respond.
How was the workshop today? It was very good, but I think it was a bit too long. Thank you for telling me. I'll try to make it shorter next time.
I liked the activities, though. They were fun.
I'm happy to hear that. Thanks for your feedback.
It was interesting, but maybe too many topics in one day. I liked the group work, but I wish we had more breaks. The content was good, but the room was too cold. It was very useful, but it started a bit late.
Hello. I'd like to report a problem with my neighbor.
What's the problem?
They play loud music at night, and it's hard to sleep.
I understand. I'll talk to them politely about it.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
They have a party every weekend. It's too noisy. The TV is loud late at night. I can hear shouting from their apartment. They use power tools early in the morning. Hello. I'd like to report a problem with my internet.
What's the problem?
It's very slow and I can't watch videos.
I'm sorry about that. I'll check the line for you now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The internet keeps disconnecting. My Wi-Fi signal is very weak. The connection drops every few minutes. It's too slow to load websites. Great job today! You learned many useful English phrases for making complaints and giving feedback politely. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep learning English with me every week.